everybody, welcome to Storytime with Fairfield County Library. My name's Miss Nina and I am excited for Storytime today. Are you guys ready? Awesome. All right, this week our theme is New Year's. So this week we're going to read two books that are all about New Year's. All right, our first book is Shante Keys and the New Year's Peas by Gail Piernas-Davenport, illustrated by Marion Eldridge and published by Albert Whitman and Company. Happy New Year, Grandma, says Shante Keys. Mom said we'll eat lucky New Year's peas. Mercy, cries Grandma, I'm weak in the knees. I cooked lots of food, but forgot black-eyed peas. Chitlins, baked ham, macaroni and cheese, greens and hot cornbread, but no black-eyed peas. It's a year of bad luck if we don't eat cow peas. Quick, go to Miss Lee's and borrow some, please. Happy New Year, Miss Lee, says Shante Keys. Gram wants to borrow some black-eyed peas. My New Year is later because I'm Chinese. I make crisp golden dumplings instead of cow peas. I'm sorry to bother you, says Shante Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. I'll try at the grocer's, Mr. McGee's. Your shelves are stocked with such delicacies. Why can't I find lucky black-eyed peas? Back home in my Scotland far overseas, for New Year's we toast and eat haggis and cheese. Happy New Year anyway, says Shante Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. Why don't you try asking Senor Oritz? What do you eat for New Year's luck, Chef Oritz? If you cook black eyes, may I borrow some, please? I am from Mexico, down by Belize. For luck, we make noise and eat grapes like these. Happy New Year anyway, says Shante Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. Next, Shante asks at her good friend Hari's, may I borrow peas for New Year's, please? We celebrate Diwali with other Hindu families. We light lamps and eat sweets, but no black-eyed peas. Thank you anyway, says Shante Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. Now Shante is frantic. She's in a time squeeze. She thinks hard and rushes to Auntie Marie's. I'd have too many if I cooked all these. Hun, take what you need of my New Year's peas. Thanks, and come eat at Gram's with me, please. And here everyone comes. She brings the peas. Grandma chops onions to cook with the peas. Auntie adds a coin for luck and a pinch of bay leaves. And Shante cooks rice as Mom oversees. Auntie says, Shante, can you get the door, please? Your friends are here for dinner. Come to try peas. Peas are delicious, the whole group agrees. Happy New Year, and thank you, Shante Keys. And that is Shante Keys, The New Year's Peas. I hope you guys liked it. All right, our second book is It's New Year's Day by Richard Sebra and published by Lerner Publications. New Year's Day. New Year's Day is a holiday. It is January 1st. New Year's Day marks the beginning of a new calendar year. New Year's Day is celebrated around the world. Some people celebrate with fireworks. The night before New Year's Day is New Year's Eve. The new year begins at midnight on New Year's Eve. Why does the new year begin at midnight? A big ball drops in New York City. People gather to see it. They count down the seconds to midnight. People celebrate at midnight. They blow horns. They throw confetti. On New Year's Day, some families eat black-eyed peas. People think that this food brings good luck. What do you think are lucky foods? People meet. Some people go to parades. People share hopes for the new year. They make New Year's resolutions. Why do you think people make resolutions? New Year's Day is a time to celebrate the past year. It is also a time to look forward to the next year. There's a little where it goes on the calendar. And here is some words from the pictures. We've got confetti, Eve, midnight, and resolutions and what they mean. All right. Did you guys learn anything new about the holiday? All right, everyone. Thank you for coming to Storytime. Now, just because we're done reading does not mean we have to be done with Storytime. At the library, you can get something called a Storytime kit, which is a fun-filled activity kit that goes with the books you read today. Each kit comes with a coloring sheet, a craft, and a tasty recipe that you can make with your grown-ups. This week, our recipe is New Year's crescent dippers, and our craft is this, a fireworks scratch door hanger. See? Happy New Year! I made this one. To get a kit, you need to come to the Fairfield County Library and look for some crates in the children's section. Now, there's 2 crates. One for the Monday people, which is you guys, and one for our Wednesday story time, which is a little bit older kids. Now, the way to tell them apart is you guys have the kits with red on them. So when you go to grab your kit, make sure you grab the one for Group A or grab the red one. We put out new kits every time there's a new story time, so every week, and we keep them as long as we have kits. So if you want to try a kit from the last story time, we might still have them. You just have to ask. Maybe ask for me, Miss Nina. Okay, everybody, thank you for joining me for story time. It's time to say goodbye, but I look forward to seeing you next time. And I hope to see you in the library this week to pick up a Storytime kit. Bye!